Okay, children, I read the spelling now. Indoor games. Title: Indoor games. The first one: boxing. Boxing. B-O-X-I-N-G. Boxing. B-O-X-I-N-G. Boxing. Carom. C-A-R-R-O-M. Carom. C-A-R-R-O-M. Carom. The next game: snake and ladder. Snake and ladder. S-N-A-K-E. Snake and ladder. L-A-D-D-E-R. Ladder. Snake and ladder. The next game: snooker. S-N-O-O-K-E-R. Snooker. S-N-O-O-K-E-R. Snooker. See the next game. What is this? Skipping. What is this? Skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. Chess. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. The next game: table tennis. Table tennis. T-A-B-L-E. Table tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S. Tennis. Table tennis. Boxing. First one: boxing. Carom. Snake and ladder. Snooker. Skipping. Chess and table tennis. The second type of games: outdoor games. These outdoor games we play on playground. The first one: cricket. Cricket. Kabaddi. Hockey. Hockey is our national game. Hockey. Football. Car race. Running. Volleyball and basketball. One more time: outdoor games. Outdoor games: cricket, kabaddi, hockey, football, car race, running, volleyball and basketball. Children, I am going to teach the spelling. You all are listen. After, recite the spelling. Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Kabaddi. K-A-B-A-D-D-I. Kabaddi. K-A-B-A-D-D-I. Kabaddi. The next game: hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. Hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. Hockey. The next game: football. Football using two legs only. Football. F-O Football, 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 football. The next game, what is the picture? See, what is this? Car. This is car race. C-A-R, car race. R-A-C-E, race, car race. C-A-R, car, R-A-C-E, race, car race. Okay, next one, running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. The next game, volleyball. The next game, volleyball. V-A-L-L-E-Y, V-A-L-L, volleyball. V-A-L-L-E-Y, V-A-L-L, volleyball. Then last one, basketball. The last one, basketball. B-A-S-K-E-T, basketball. B-A-L-L, ball, basketball. B-A-K-E-T, basketball. B-A-L-L, basketball. Okay, children. Now once again, I read all the games name. The first, indoor games, boxing, carom, snake and ladder, snooker, skipping, chess, and table tennis. The next second type of games, outdoor games. Outdoor games, cricket, kabaddi, hockey, football, car race, running, volleyball, and basketball. Children, now I am going to teach some exercise for you. The first exercise, tick the right one. Tick the right one. Okay, some correction is there. Here, Ludo. Ludo spelling is wrong. You all are right. C-A-R-R-O-M, carom. You write this spelling in your book. Okay. The first, what game is there? Carom. Carom or chess? What game this one? Can you guess? What game this one? Chess. Chess means black and white boxes is there. But this game, carom. Okay? Carom, this one. This game name, carom, roller, tick here. Tick the right ones. The second one, what is this? Boxing or wrestling. What game this one? Boxing. Okay, you all are boxing. What spelling for boxing? B-O-X-I-N-G. Boxing. You tick the boxing. The next game, car race or horse race. What is this? What is the picture is there? Car. Okay, this one, car race. What is this? Car race. C-A-R, car race. R-A-C-E, race. Car race. Tick the car race. The next one, what game? Skipping. What game? Skipping. Okay, running or skipping? Skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. Okay, tick the skipping. Okay, next one. Football or basketball? What is the game? Football or basketball? This one, football. 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 Okay, now tick the football. Children, next exercise. Write the missing letter. Write the missing letter. The first one, what picture is there? What game is playing on the man? What is this? Snooker. What is this? Snooker. What spelling for snooker? S-N-O-O-K-E-R. Snooker. S-N-O-O-K-E-R. Snooker. The second game, what is this? See the picture. Color point is there. What game this one? The second one, carom. Second game, carom. What spelling for carom? C-A-R-R-O-M. What spelling is missing? C-A-R-R-O-M. Carom. C-A-R-R-O-M. Carom. Okay, next. Third one. What game this one? Cricket. What game this one? Cricket. What spelling for cricket? C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Okay, first one. C. R is there. Next, what spelling is missing? I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Okay, next one. What is this? What game this one? Kabaddi. What game this one? Kabaddi. What spelling for kabaddi? K-A-B-A-D-D-I. Okay, here what spelling is missing? K-A-B-A-D-D-I. Kabaddi. Okay, next game, what is this? What is the national game? Hockey. What game this one? Hockey. What spelling for hockey? H-O-C-K-E-Y. Okay, here what spelling is missing? H-O-C-K-E-Y. Hockey. Okay, next one. What is this? Skipping. What is this? Skipping. What spelling for a skipping? S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. What spelling is missing? S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. Okay, children, all are write this page in your books and send it for me. Thank you. Bye, children.